Hi everyone, this is the most simple homeschool supply in just one closet. You can see all the things I have is in just this closet. So I will introduce each one of them for you guys and hope you enjoy watching it. Hello everyone, this is Dingxia. Welcome back to my channel. In last video, we talked about how I set up in a very small space for my homeschool. And for my 4-year-old son, this is the only closet I use for all the supplies I stored and for everything I use in our homeschool. So it's really not too much, and it's only one closet. I store everything. So let's begin. I bought these markers. I normally bought when it's on sale, so I remember this one is very good at deal. It was around 50 cents per pack, so I bought a lot. And this Crayola thing, I bought the markers around $1 per pack because we use it a lot. And you guys know that my son loves to paint and he draw a lot of pictures, so we really use it very fast, so we have to store it. And here's the tape. I like this tape because you can actually write on the top of the tape and you can use it anywhere. And for the craft making, my kids used to very love to use these glues, but now they tend to more likely to use these tapes. So I think this is very good, and I bought it in Costco. And here are some school glues and pencils. These are basic pencils. I don't want to buy very fancy pencils for them, because if the kids got fancy pencils, they only want to play with the pencils, so they're not concentrated on their works. And here's some more glues, because my daughter loves to do the craft. So I normally find some craft videos from YouTube, and then she can follow that. But the things, the parents should monitor the YouTube videos, which one should show to the kids, so they cannot use alone. Basic depends on their age. And here are some staples. Okay, and here's more glues and more markers and more dry eraser markers. And here's the fine line Crayola markers. And I got the twistable Crayola Citizens crayons. I like this one because it's much easier than the traditional one, and it's not easily broken, and it's basically more clean for me and much more easy to use, so I recommend this one. I really love the colors and the quality of the Crayola markers. I think I bought it in Target. And here are more erasers. These fun little erasers wasn't bought by me because I don't buy these fancy erasers for my kids. I only buy this very basic one. But as a gift, so we received this, I think it's from Japan. Somebody went to Japan and gave us as a gift, so I collect them and then I store it. If the kids really behave very well, so I will take it as a reward for them. And here's our scissors and our pens. We have a bunch of pens. Basically, it's all the supplies we need. I don't think we need a lot of supplies for the homeschool, just very basic one, because these things we will run out in maybe 1 or 2 years. So it's definitely a good idea. When you see some discount, you can store some. Okay, here's another bin, and this one is for my Sharpies and more glues. And here's for one of my daughter's favorite eraser. Okay, here are more Sharpies because we can use it for crafting. We can write down some notes. So it's very useful. I like Sharpies. And here is the eraser we request by the supply list of the 2nd grade teachers. So they recommend us to buy this kind of eraser. They think it's the best eraser, so we bought a lot. And here's the thing, because I have already bought some glues, but the school requires a non-purple one. So this is actually the non-purple version of the school glue, like this one. So it's different. Okay, and here is my bin for everyday use. Here is more crayons, the little supplies, and more pencils, more crayons. These are all used actually, but I try to collect them and store them in the closet because I don't want to make them like full of over my table, my drawers. Once every color ran out, I will take one single color and then recover that replacement. So that's the only thing we need is one set of crayons or markers on the table and in the cart. All the other things we store it in the closet so the kids cannot see them every day and they cannot play with them. And I also got the stickers and different kind of stickers as a little reward. And the fun things I have in this little box is all about my tapes because my daughter loves to do the crafts. So I bought these tapes. I bought these tapes from Amazon, and it's a washi tape and all the different colors, so she can design her own craft using these tapes. It's very fun and very useful. And I also got extra color pencils. Only if they ran out of every colors, I will pick one color. For example, they ran out of yellow, I will pick up the yellow one to recover that. But the extra ones always stay in the closet. That's it. So thanks for watching my video, and I hope to talk about more for my homeschool setting up and supplies. This is the only supplies I got. I know it seems a lot, but trust me, compared with lots of moms, I have such little supplies. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.